ready? Y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready for this. Hi loves, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. You know what to do. Go ahead and click that subscribe button below and become part of the pretty pink party. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, you know what guys? I don't have an intro, okay? This is just me being me, and I'm figuring it out and you're figuring it out with me. Hello. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a Dolls Kill haul. I know that there is tons of controversy around this brand, but I just recently found that out after I already did all this purchasing. I'm not sure what all of the controversy is about, but I did pick up some pieces. I saw these cute pink items and I feel like, I don't know, it wasn't my first time ordering from Dolls Kill. I decided to go into Dolls Kill and see if I could find more pink stuff, and they actually had really cool pink stuff, like stuff I've never seen before. It was kind of borderline cosplay-ish, but I was into it. You know what I mean? Like, it's like, oh, this is weird, but I like it. So I'm going to show you guys what I picked up today. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification to be notified every time I post a video. Also, all of my social media will be linked in the description below. You can follow me on Instagram, where I love to post tons of pink girly content, and we can be friends. Okay, I'm a nerd and I'm weird, but it's okay, it's cool, right? Let's get into what I am wearing. I am wearing this red lip, baby. Okay, she is working the red lip for the holidays. Okay, tell me what you guys think in the comment below. Yes to red lips or no? I got this pink crop little sweater. I've been really into these types of sweaters. I don't know what they're called, but they're super warm and cozy. Speaking of warm and cozy, it's hot in here. I got the heat on, and I love this little part right here. I got this from Marshall's. If you're interested, it's $15. And you guys have seen this headband. I think I got this from Forever 21. Super cute. Anyways, you guys, that's what I'm wearing today, and now we're gonna get into these items. Okay guys, so what's the first item? Oh, just a really quickie. Ooh, that sounded naughty. It's really quick, you guys. I want to show you these disposable masks that I found at the 99-cent store. There's 10 in the pack and they're pink, you guys, and they're disposable. They were only $2. I'm still looking for cute masks. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. If it's a small business or black-owned business, please let me know, because that will give it a jump above. These are the disposable ones, and they're just pink. Yep, just like the white ones that I purchased on Amazon, except they're pink. I thought that was super cute. I'm gonna leave these in my car because I don't think Bunny's gonna be wearing any pink masks. He'll probably just wear the white ones that I purchased. Just in case you guys want some pink mask and you're curious about where to get some for the cheap, check out the 99-cent store. Okay, speaking of masks, I got a mask from Dolls Kill, and this is the bored face mask. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Ooh, she's cute, but you know what? What is this? This looks like a mask for a child. Guys, this is so tiny. I don't even think this can fit over my ears. It does have like a little pocket where you can put like the filter inside of. But here's the mask. I'm not gonna put it on right now because I have makeup on, but it just says bored. And hopefully these stretch over my big ears because they look really tiny, but that's the mask, you guys. I don't remember how much this mask was, but I noticed it was super inexpensive because I'm cheap. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, I remember what this is. You guys, no words, no words, no freaking words. You guys, it is a beaded heart purse, and these are like glass beads. I thought this was gonna be plastic. This is not plastic, it's glass. It's actually pretty heavy. Now the chain is glass. It's a pink chain, so you can wear it like on your wrist, or you could wear it as a shoulder strap. The pink chain is plastic, but the beads, like the actual purse itself, is glass, and it has gold hardware. It's super cute, and I thought this would be great for like Valentine's Day pictures and things like that. Oh my god, I am obsessed. I I am obsessed. I don't even think it needs the chain, honestly. I think the chain can go inside of the bag, and just the plain heart. That is so cute. Obsessed, you guys. I have to move pretty quick, you guys, because my battery's about to run out. Oh, I remember this. You guys, it looks like a corset. It's so cute, and it has like rhinestones on the loops with the pink lace. It's so cute. It's just like this wrist bag. I love this. I guess you can also wear it on your shoulder too as well, guys. That is so freaking cute. Oh my god, I love it. I was expecting it to be a little bit light. I will say, you guys, on Dolls Kill site, and I've had this problem with stuff that I from there before. What it looks like, I mean, when I'm looking at the stuff at the packages, what it looks like on the website isn't the same color as it is in person, and I'll show you what I mean. One of these sets says light pink on it. It's definitely not light pink. It definitely does not look like the picture online. So that's the one thing about Dolls Kill I would be really, really careful about. Whenever you purchase, what I like to do is go down in the comments and look at photos of the girls who really purchase the items and see what the actual color is, because Dolls Kill be lying. They just straight up be lying. The purse was a lot darker and brighter than I expected, but I still like it. I think it's super cute, and I actually got this to go with a top. This is a little bit more of a kind of like statement piece for sure. This is definitely not something that you would wear every day. Definitely something like, I don't even know where I would wear this to. Maybe for Valentine's Day, I don't know. But it's definitely not a daily, everyday piece, but it's super cute and I love it. Well, no, because I'm gonna wear this for Valentine's Day. So I don't know where I could wear this to, but I just think it's super cute, so why not? This is a dupe for the Velour Disruptor 2 pink shoes that you guys heard me talk about, maybe. I don't know if it's in this video. I don't know if you guys already seen it, if it's in the video before this or after this. I'm not sure. But it's on my Christmas wish list video. And I talked about these shoes that I wanted that were Fila's, that were chunky and pink. And I found these and they look like a pretty good dupe minus the Fila logo. So I went ahead and I stashed them up. And these were cheap. These are on sale. I think I paid like 20 or less bucks for these. Here are the pink laces. They're like light pink. Oh my god, you guys! Oh my god, it comes in this bag. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. This is a size 8. It's by the brand Berness. No! I am obsessed. These look like they're gonna be too big for me, but it's okay because I want them to look super big, so I'm kind of cool with that. It is the perfect pastel pink color that I've been looking for that I can't find anywhere, but the shoe has it. And the shoelaces are so cute and they match. Actually, these are like a white and pink printed shoelace, and these are just plain solid pink ones. Here's the shoe, you guys. Look at that. Oh my god, I love the chunkiness. I love it. I have no freaking idea what I'm gonna wear with these shoes. Let's open the 2 items that I'm actually not sure about. When I got, I was like, did I order this? Because it just wasn't the right color, you guys. Like, this is the off-duty jogger set. And an extra small in the color light pink. Can you guys read that? Wait, make sure my address ain't on there. Yeah. Can you guys read that? It says light pink extra small. Does this look like light pink to you? I don't know. Like, this is light pink. This jacket is light pink. Does this look like light pink to anyone? Please comment below. Maybe I don't know my color scale. Please help me out. Okay, it's this cropped. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is cute, guys. This cropped like sweat top, and it has these strings where you can scrunch it at the bottom. You guys will see it on the try on. And then it also has, it looks like it'll fit. Then it also has these sweatpants to match. And let's just make sure the pockets are real, baby. Yes, you guys, the pockets are real. And it also has a tie string, which is great for me because nothing fits ever. So I can use that. That's the bottom. It's not tapered, but that's okay. I still like it. They're pretty thick pants. Oh, I'm excited to try these out actually. It's definitely not the pink color that they posted online and the pink color that I was looking for, but I do think that it is a cute set anyway. So I'm gonna keep it, I think, if it fits right. And then this is the next item that I was like, baby, this is not pink. Okay, it said blush. Okay, I'll give it that. This said blush, so I can get it. It's blush. The Blush Moonlit Sass Rhinestone set in pink and a small, but it does say blush, so I get that. This is what it looks like, the color, and I just felt like this blush or peach. Like sometimes people be saying things are blush and I'm like, that's not blush, baby, that's peach. So it's like there's a fine line and a difference. I don't know. This is by the Capsule brand, and this is the tube top. You guys can see it has all those rhinestones over it. It says sparkly and glittery. And then it has this like pull thing right here where we'll pull it and scrunch it in. I'm hoping that it will fit. It does look like it's gonna be too big for me because your girl, she don't have no titties, so I don't know why y'all keep trying to give me like big titty city. I'm not from the big titty city, baby. Here are the shorts. Rhinestone, just like the tube top. That's what they look like. I love these little ruffles at the end. It's giving me girly frills. The pockets are real. And then the back is plain. That's the back. That's the front. Super cute. Not sure if these will fit again. I would probably wear these high-waisted. I hope this fits. This does look a little bit big, so that's kind of, ugh. I probably will keep the first set. I don't know about this one. Ooh, I love their tag. Look at Sugar Thrill's tag. It's so cute, you guys. That's so cute. This is called the Cherish My Love wrap sweater. And this just reminded me of like the 80s, being a dancer in the 80s with like your leg warmers and your leggings and your little sweater that wraps around. You guys know what I'm talking about. Like this little sweater, and it is so cute. Here are the sleeves. They have like these Belle cuffs, you guys. Super cute. And then it has this tie. You guys can't see it and like when I'm holding it up, but you'll see it on the try on. This wraps around your body and you could tie a little bow in the back or in the front. It just gives you that whole 80s ballet dancer, stuck up girl, don't f with me look, and I absolutely adore it. Ooh, I'm excited about this item as well. This is called the Butterfly in Teresa Fuzzy Tank. I don't know. But it was giving me like 2000s baby vibes, and I'm totally a millennial, so I wanted to grab it. Ooh, it looks like it will fit. What size is this? This is an extra small. I love Sugar Thrill's tags. Like, I just want to keep their tags. Anyways, here's the little cute top. It's like in this sweater material, and it ties with bows over the shoulder like this, you guys, in case you're wondering. Super cute, you guys. If you haven't heard me mention this before, I'm obsessed with butterflies, so absolutely love that. I thought this would be cute with like some baggy ripped jeans and some white Air Force Ones or sandals, some chunky sandals. That would be really cute. This one is called the Love Friend Crop Blouse. Again, by Sugar Thrills. This is a size extra small. Good. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. It's giving me cottagecore vibes, but I love it. I'm living for it. Like I said, this brand of clothing, this clothing line seemed to have a lot of like cosplay type of stuff. Like, not cosplay, but like more statement type of clothes. Sometimes actually it could be cosplay-ish if you want to go with that. But this is the corset top. Well, it's like a crop top. It's not really corset. I think it's called the corset top though. Yeah, it's a corset crop top, It laces up the front. You guys will see. I'm interested to know because I don't have any boobs, so I don't know how that's gonna work. But I do like the cut of this top. And then it just has like these cute buttons on the sleeve. You guys can see that. Super cute. I thought that this would go perfect with this purse. I don't know what's gonna be on the bottom. Probably like a jean skirt or like maybe a white jean skirt would be cute. Or white shorts or white jeans. Ooh, white jeans with this and this on Valentine's Day. Oh, that might be a vibe. I don't know. So the next thing we have is the Laugh Tray Velour Crop Hoodie Short Set. I don't know what's up with me getting shorts. Yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. It's getting real loud out there, so here's the back of it. And then I have to hurry up. My battery's about to die. And then here are the shorts. Yeah, these shorts are way too big, baby. But here's the shorts. They're kind of like long shorts. They do have pockets. They kind of remind me of boxing shorts. So we'll see how that looks on the try on. So this is the Belle of the Ball Satin Corset top in the color Blush, and it is in extra small. Okay guys, here's the top. This is what it looks like. Oh my God, this is so cute for Valentine's Day in jeans. Here's the back of it, you guys. Look at the back, so cute. Here are the sleeves. They're like, you can't see it. You'll have to check it out on the try on, but they're like this mesh, poofy material. Love, love, love. The back is like hitting hard. Look at that, super cute, you guys. I'm so obsessed. Okay, loves, I'm obsessed with like everything I got except for the two that I showed you at the beginning, the two sweatsuits. I'm not too sure about those. I have to see how they fit. I hope you guys are having a great holiday, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you loves in the next video. Bye. I love you guys. Bye.